Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Oh, thank you very much. I really do that. You can stop. Thank you very much. Okay, it's gonna be a little different since now we have sound effects. I'm using an app. I'm not saying what it's called, it's my little secret. So, yeah. It's a little secret. Some people probably use it, but I'm not gonna say what it's called. So I'm gonna experiment with sound effects. Can we have an alarm? 1 second, I'm gonna go to sleep. And then an alarm's gonna wake me up. Oh. It did wake me up. What about that? Okay. Yeah. So, then another sound effect. We could have some music going right about now. Yeah, perfect. I love that music. Can we have something a little more exciting now? Perfect. I love this music. Okay. Now, let's change it to something a little more calm. No, I said calm. There we go. Perfect, just perfect. Totally perfect. That's so relaxing. And there's the alarm again. Really. Okay. Alarm, turn off. Snooze. Thank you. Okay, and it's going off again. Just turn it off. It's off now. So, we're going to be experimenting with some of these sounds like we already are. Wait a minute, can I do this? Okay, should have music going. Okay, this music's way too calm. No, I mean exciting. Okay, I can't tell. Should I have something more exciting? I'm gonna conduct an orchestra. Perfect. Okay. Now that we're done with that, we're gonna check. By check, I mean money. Ka-ching! Or we could just have the sound effect, like right now. Money. Go.